I plus, past simple. Here are some examples. I ate it. I did it. I saw it. I met her. I saw you. I took it. I cooked it. I drew it. I shrank it. I left you. I lived here. I went crazy. I was there. I ate lunch. I ate lunch. I saw a film. I cut the cake. I finished work. I drank the beer. I rose again. I caught him. I ran the race. I gave it to you. I felt the pain. I had enough. I drove the car. I left the place. I ate my soup. I fell in love. I took my share. I bought the car. I heard about it. I ate 2 apples. I studied English. I learned my lesson. I talked with him. I played the piano. I flew with him. I forgave you. I tried the food. I thought about it. I wrote the letter. I saw the Queen. I went on holiday. I behaved badly. I bit my tongue. I saw him there. I ordered the meal. I worked in the bank. I got a good car. I flew in an airplane. I forgot the words. I worked hard on that day.